welcome back to the first Deep Condish of the year 2018.
Happy New Year,
The Deep Condish is a series that I started last year where we deep condition our hair, where we get to dish on hip hop and pop culture at the same time. You know, just take out your conditioners. We can do this together. It was started as a accountability partner type of thing. Like, you see this video, let's deep condition together. Let's keep our tresses moisturized. I'm proud to say that this video will be posted the day before my deep condition anniversary. 1 freaking year of deep conditioning my hair on a schedule. And as you guys can see, my hair has flourished. It's growing fast. It's looking good. It's feeling great.
Okay, I see you.
So yeah, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the like button if you've been rocking on me since the beginning of my Deep Condish series. If you come back time after time again, or if you just discovered me a couple of months ago or last week, like, hit the thumbs up button, sis. So as per usual, let's dive right into this weeks of deep condition. Now, since I missed a couple of well, probably like 2 weeks because my hair was straight, you know, I couldn't deep condition on it. I feel like I missed out on so much news. First of all, my hair is freshly washed with the clarifying shampoo. I had to get all that product out from when my hair was straight. Oh, my hair look real short, sis. What is this?
Girl,
you guys missed the video where I cut my hair, I trimmed my ends or whatever, got rid of all my little split ends. This is my first time seeing my hair since I cut it. Like, I got out of the shower and I put my little t-shirt on my hair. So I'm like, wow, sis, I get to experience this with y'all. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, so if you guys are wondering what I'm deep conditioning with today, go ahead and check out the description box. I always put it there. Sometimes it's the same, sometimes it's different, depends on how I'm feeling, sis. But anyways, let's jump right in to the video. So I've decided to call this segment, you know, the segment where I be, you know, get my shout outs and everything positive that's been going on, any kind of headline that's been positive. I decided to call this segment Fist Pump. Like, what? Okay, so today in fist pump news, some people might be like, what? I ain't fighting. Okay, I ain't fighting. Today in fist pump news, I'm gonna talk about Mary J. Blige getting her little star. She got her little Hollywood star finally. I've been rocking to Mary J for a long time, but I love the old Mary J. I'm really not too fond of the new Mary J, but you know, she is great and she's been around for a long time, so I gotta respect this. So shout out to you, sis. Also, I see that A-Marie, however you say her name, she has announced she's pregnant. So shout out to her. I think this is her first child too. She's so small. Anyways, next up, let's shout out to Oprah, because I know a lot of people seen her speech at the Golden Globes and everybody was like, Oprah 2020 for president. Hair alert. Okay, it's right here. Why is it hanging, girl? Anyways, yeah, so I don't really want Oprah to run, but if she do, I wouldn't be mad. I just want her to stay out of it because they're gonna drag her, because you know how they just always looking for the bad in good people, but I always bring out the good and bad. Anyways, also shout out to Sterling K. Brown, the guy from This Is Us. I don't know if y'all guys watched that, but I love This Is Us. I haven't caught up on the latest season because since I ain't been watching a lot of TV. Well, I did. I'm gonna talk about that later. But yeah, shout out to him. I didn't really see any good other good news. Let me say, shout out to Alexis Sky. I know she's not a celebrity, and I don't really like to big up people who famous for no reason. But she had her baby by Prettywitty, and it was premature. She had it at 6 months. So, you know, prayers out to that baby, that little girl gets stronger fast, and she, you know, just comes out of the hospital sooner than later. Let's say that. So we're going into the mess for the week. And I don't know, I kind of wanted to call, really wanted to segment my deep conditions. Freak, my hair shaded. I really wanted a segment, so I'm gonna call this next segment a mess, girl. I don't know why, but a mess. So today in that kind of news, did y'all hear about Chris Brown? I know I seen a video of him with a pet monkey, his little daughter Royalty playing with the little pet monkey. So now they're trying to charge Chris Brown with criminal charges, saying he did not get a license or something to own an exotic animal, and they coming for him on a federal charge. I believe that even though, you know, there are rules and rules should be followed, I think it's like, leave him alone. And I ain't taking up for Chris, because I'm not a Chris Brown fan. But I'm saying, this man in the news and it ain't for fighting or, you know, no nonsense. Like, really, y'all just keep on doing that to that man. But anyways, moving right along, while we speaking of monkeys, let's discuss this H&M situation. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna give you my opinion. So I was off of Instagram for a couple of days, and I get back on, and everybody like H&M, 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 and I'm like, what did H&M do? So I'm struggling, and I find a picture of a little black boy in a hoodie that said "coolest monkey in the jungle." And I think, I'm not sure what the little white guy, the little white boy beside him, it said something like mangrove cave, manhunt, I don't know, something like that. So it was a lot of controversy behind that, because there is a term that black people were called back in the day, and it had one word in front of monkey, and that word is porch, and it's a racial slur. So a lot of people were kind of disrupted and alarmed by that, because it is kind of disturbing, you know, to see something like that in 2018. Yes. So I mean, I don't think that H&M did it intentionally. I don't think they did it intentionally, but I think that they need more diversity on these teams of people who are passing and giving a green light on post that or do that, you know what I mean? Because when there's no diversity, things like this get out into the world, and people aren't happy about these type of things. So I believe they did drop the ball on whoever is slid by for them to approve of this, to get this on their website, which has now been removed. But I don't think that, you know, H&M is like racist or anything. I really don't shop at H&M that much, so I ain't gonna say I'm a boycott, but yeah, celebrities like G-Eazy, which I don't really think he's that big of a celebrity, because I just heard the man like a couple months ago. G-Eazy, Nicki Minaj, and The Weeknd have cut ties with H&M because of this ad. And you know, I would really like to get y'all opinion on this H&M ad. Like, what do you guys think about it? Because like I said, I don't think they did it intentionally, but when you employ people who all look like each other and no diversity, then things like this happens, and it shouldn't be like that in 2018, sis. Moving right along, your boy, I heard your boy Kevin Gates was out of jail, but I honestly don't think he's out. I think because he made a post on his page that said "it's me" or something like that. I forgot what it said, and everybody was like, "Oh, he out." But y'all must forgot Drika, which is his wife and also mother of his kids, she been posting from that page, so I know she got the password. He probably told her, "Get the page ready, babe, get the page ready," because I think he scheduled to get out on the 19th, and she probably posted that, like letting us know he coming. But I don't think he out. He ain't posting no videos or pictures. Just a little post on his page with a black background and white letters saying something like "it's me" or something like that. So I don't think he out, but I think he's preparing. He's eligible for parole on the 19th. So yeah, I don't know if you guys are excited about that. New music. I'm just, even though I really don't agree with what he did, but I do just feel like, I kind of feel happy that his kids, he get to see his kids again, you know, and he love those kids, because trust me, what up, bitch, I got something. Yep. He love those kids, so I guess that's good, you know. Also, in the best news I've heard in a couple of weeks, which y'all already knew. Y'all already knew this was a game. Nas and Nicki Minaj decides to publicly call their relationship quits. So they allegedly broke up, but you know, he wasn't together. They weren't together because he was with me. But they supposed to broke up and they stayed too far apart or some stuff. But you know, they fed that just because y'all was egging him on. He lives with me, but he's out on business right now. So yeah. Also, you know, I reported that Nas is the mother of his children, his ex-wife. You know, I'm cool with her because you know they got a baby together. Khalees, she was giving him supposedly, she was allegedly giving him issues with custody of their child. So it said that now she's cooperating. So maybe the girl just didn't want her child around Nicki. I wouldn't either. Okay, stop hating. Yes. Also, while we on all this relationship stuff, let's talk about Cardi B. Let's briefly talk about Cardi B and these Offset tapes, explicit tapes that supposedly somebody hacked his iCloud. Somebody's leaking sexual footage of him with relations with another person who just so happens to not be Cardi. I don't know, but if these videos are old, is there a date on the videos? Do we know when it was recorded? Because I know a lot of guys like to keep stuff in their phone that happened months and months ago, maybe even years. So how old is this footage that he's with other people? Is this recent? Who knows? How do we know? How are we to determine? It's real messed up, but it's none of my business. I mean, if Cardi's happy, she happy. So cool. She did a concert in Mississippi. Shout out to Mississippi, by the way. And then she was like, she made a comment, a Beyonce reference, like, if you do that again, you're gonna lose your wife. First of all, you're not married yet. You mean Beyonce. And second of all, it happened again. Since then, a different tape, a different girl, same nigga. She hasn't really said anything, but I think she's really happy. I think somebody is trying to sabotage her happiness because everybody was for her when she was like, even before she was on Love and Hip Hop. That's when I discovered her before. When I used to see her videos on Tumblr, like, who is this girl? I gotta follow her. Instagram wasn't even popping. I think months and months after she started to gain popularity on social media, then she got a role on Love and Hip Hop. So I've been rocking with Cardi. Nothing but the only thing that I really talked about was like her mouth, her teeth. But she got a bag and fix her teeth. Me too, sis. I'm right behind you. Give me a couple more months so I get my braces off. But yeah, so that happened. And I just think they just really don't like her because of her success. Like, it seems as if she's blowing up before our eyes, but behind the scenes you just don't be knowing how the hard work that people be putting in. So yeah, shout out to Cardi and her happiness, or if she decides to stay. We really don't know what's going on. We just know what it looked like. Honestly, I don't know nothing what's going on when I'm reporting y'all. I'm just telling y'all what I heard, you know what I'm saying? Also, I know a lot of you guys like Selena. I don't know how to say her last name, but they have a TV show that's inspired by her that's going to be coming to ABC. So if you like anything for Selena, then you definitely want to stay tuned and check out that. For my listens for the week, my witty listens, I've been glued to that Bruno Mars and Cardi B song, Finesse. Listen, I gotta do something with that song. Like, I kind of want to remake that and just be like, hey, I don't know. Leave in the comments if you think I should do something to that song, because it's high energy. The vibrations are high. It really moves me. I really like that song. And it's like based on like old school. It's like an old school feel. Like, you know, I'm kind of old. But yeah. Also, I've been listening to Migos Stir Fry. So if you guys haven't heard that song, that's a really good song to play while you're at the gym, because y'all know, if y'all follow me on Snapchat, I be in the gym with my Bluetooth speaker now. Holla at your gala. Also, something that, also if you follow me on Snapchat, which is Prettywitty 77, I've been really into touch with my Destiny's Child. I've been listening to Brown Eyes, Dangerously in Love, like out of the blue, and it makes me feel so good. It's like nostalgia. It's like I don't know, it just brings out a certain side of me. But anyways, what have you guys been listening to? If you follow me on Instagram, which is also Prettywitty77, or Twitter, same media handle, hashtag witty listens and let me know what you've been listening to. Or if you see a story and it's kind of juicy and you kind of be like, I want her to talk about this on the Deep Condish, just tag me, sis, or just hashtag Prettywitty77 and I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna see it. But that concludes this week's Deep Condish. My nose is running right now, just keeping it G. Don't be alarmed, I got that handle. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel.
Show some love.
And I will see you back here again next Sunday. And don't forget, the last Sunday of the month is a live stream Deep Condish. And I think I'm going to reset that time to 2 or 3. So stay tuned for those details. I got a couple more weeks. So yeah, girl, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like a